I'm Pascal Delval, and I'm the CPO for the Auchan Group. Auchan is one of the largest retailers in the world. We have hypermarkets, supermarkets, but we also run a business in real estate, and we have a bank. The total sales of Auchan are 63 billion euros in 2014. We employ 330,000 people all over the world. The future of commerce for our company is challenging because we have to integrate all the new technologies in our business. The role of the purchasing activity for our company is evolving, of course, to take into account these new challenges. We have to integrate the new technologies in our way of doing the business and to purchase and to have the best relationships with our suppliers today. We have to work with 10,000 users among 24 business units all over the world. We have more than 15,000 suppliers to provide Auchan with the goods, commodities and services. So it means that we have to work with a modern tool which will provide the best network to work as speed as possible with our suppliers. So Oxygen is a brand that we created to launch this activity which we set up in 2009, and Ariba is part of Oxygen. So it means that Ariba helps us to set up this program and to deploy it all over the world, in the Auchan world. We use Ariba from sourcing to payment, so all the activity is impacted by Ariba. When we decided to deploy Ariba, we created this claim, no Ariba, no business, to convince all our business units to deploy at the same time the same tool all over the world. So it means that from the beginning, no supplier can be paid if the order is not done through Ariba. First advantage of a tool like Ariba is that it exists anywhere in the world, and you can use it whatever you want to do as for purchasing is concerned.
Very good. It's not only that Pascal is on video, Pascal is here and share with you some more insights on Auchan. So please welcome Pascal Delval, Group CPO of Auchan. Pascal, thank you. Please, go ahead.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to share this experience with you, and especially I'm very proud to represent Auchan in front of you. Very proud because I've been living with Auchan for more than 30 years, more than with my wife. I would like just to add two things to these fantastic figures you can see behind me, because Auchan is a truly startup, starting in 1961 with one store in Lille, north of France, and is now, 50 years later, this tremendous group with two specificities which make this fantastic group unique, very different from the other retailers. First of all, this company, 63 billion euros of sales, 330,000 associates, 16 countries all around the world, among the leaders in China, in Russia, in France. This tremendous group is not quoted on the stock exchange, has no debts, earn more than 60% of all these stores. This group belongs to a single French family. The 700 members of the Mullier family has 88% of the capital. But on top of that, 163,000 employees all over the world. Among these 330,000 are shareholders of the company. And we have, all together, we are the most important shareholder of the company. The second reason for me, which makes this group different, is that we share a common vision among the 34 business units. This common vision is we want to serve and to answer the needs of every customer in every country with the most appropriate choice of products and services. But on top of that, we want that every employee has the opportunity to develop its own skills and is able to undertake real responsibilities at any level of the hierarchy. I think that it's enough for Auchan. But what about procurement? Well, in fact, the retail is very famous for its buying office, of course. 83% of our sales are purchases. As for indirect purchasing, we discovered only in 2009 that it could be a great source of opportunity of savings. That's why we created in 2010 a new subsidiary, a real business unit, independent, to answer the needs for indirect spend of all the 34 other business units. I'm the managing director of this business unit, and I'm at the equal level of the 34 other managing directors. It helps to convince them to follow the right programs. Our structure, it's a centralized organization. It means that the offices in every country report to me. And we add only a very slight corporate structure just to support all these operational offices. And at least, I will just explain to you, this slogan could be an ad, a free ad for Ariba, no Ariba, no business. Well, in fact, this joke was born in China. You know, generally speaking, according to my function and responsibility, I can evaluate the speed of a decision between the old countries in the Western Europe up to the very new countries in Asia. Generally speaking, the same decision will be applied in less than 12 months in France, in less than 2 weeks in China. This is the average. And so when we decided to launch the Ariba solution all over the world, the managing director of China told to his store managers, you have a choice. If you order with Ariba, your supplier will be paid. If you don't order through Ariba, your supplier will never be paid. It has helped tremendously to deploy. I'm sorry, Marcel. We deployed Ariba in less than 1 week in China.
So that's an applause.
So it explains that today, because you know, a managing director has a strong concern. If another managing director is doing something quicker than him, there is a problem. So all the other managing directors decided to do the same. And it explains that today, we run more than 2.8 billion euros of OPEX through Ariba. We have 10,000 internal users. We have 15,000 suppliers in our catalogs. And we have more than 1 million orders per year in Ariba. And this deployment takes less than 3 years. Well, so I think that's enough also for our procurement organization, and maybe Marcel had some questions to ask to me.
Pascal.
Yes.
First, many thanks. I think that's really great. So, no Ariba, no business. I believe our President Alex Hatzberger might like this slogan. So Alicia, probably you can take some notes. This is really something we should consider in the future. Thanks for sharing this. And yeah, 1 week. Thanks, Pascal, that you are here and tell this story today, and not at the time when my bonus was in negotiation, when I did the 3 months implementation. So that's really good to know. But 1 week is really impressive, how fast you did this. So Pascal, probably, and great that you have some more time and share with us probably some thoughts. And I would indeed have a couple of questions. So what should procurement, what role should procurement play from your perspective today? We have seen how impressive Auchan is, how important procurement is. What would you envision as overall role for procurement?
Well, we discovered, as I told you, this activity only 5 years ago. Of course, in the very beginning, the first decision is to buy cheaper, for sure. But everyone can agree that we cannot think that year after year we will be able to buy cheaper and cheaper the same products without any change. So if you use only the lever purchase in order to create savings, this activity has a very short term. It's a very short-term activity. So when we created this procurement organization, we launched what I told in the movie. We launched the Oxygen program. This Oxygen program means that we are not only able to act on the lever price, but we are also in charge to challenge the prescription and to remove the consumption. Challenge the prescription, it means that we are responsible to work with the prescribers, the specifiers of the company, with this question: what's good enough for us? Not too much, but not too low. We have to fix the real solution for every need. Secondly, we are able to work on consumption. And there is a joke at Auchan, it's that the best purchase is the one you don't do. So we are responsible to check that every consumption in Auchan is a good idea or not. And third, of course, we are directly responsible to buy and to reduce the price as much as possible. Cheaper is better, of course, and it's what we try to do every day. It means that Auchan, in fact, we don't consider that we are a purchasing office. We are, first of all, responsible to reduce the cost of activities of the company. So we start now a third step, what we call healthy weight. And we try to explain to our businesses, to our managing director, is that, in fact, a company is just like a human being. You know, Marcel, you are 30 years old. You are
a little bit more. No. But thanks, Pascal.
You are 30 years old. You are a little bit taller than I, maybe. You are German. I would say that your healthy weight should be 75 kilos.
A little bit more.
Marcel, if you can climb on the balance, maybe you will find 85 kilos.
Marcel, you are fat. You have 10 kilos more than the average of, I would say, the panel of people just like you. Well, we do the same with our managing directors. My dear managing director, you are going to climb to the balance, and I will tell you that maybe you are a little bit fat, maybe a little bit more. And we are going to decide together that you will follow a suitable dietetic program just to be able to run as quick as your competitors. So this is a third step of the procurement at Auchan, healthy weight, and I am a physician with a white robe in order to convince our managing director that the retailers that will survive will be the healthy retailers with a slim profile in order to compete with our new challenges in the 21st century.
Very good, Pascal. Very well said. So I think you described very well, and retail is one of many industries where we see fundamental change in the business model due to the disruption in the networked economy, what we see. Amazon was mentioned before from the supplier side. So what are the challenges, what you see, and how can procurement help to create more impact?
You are perfectly right. Retail industry knows today's a very tough context. We have two main challenges. First of all, the tremendous impact of e-commerce, especially in our non-food departments, toys, garments, and so on. Everything today is impacted by internet. So it means that a great risk for us is that we have to give up all our non-food departments. The other challenge is that we live in our mature countries, France, Spain, Italy, Portugal, and so on. We live tremendous regression in sales because of the crisis and so on. So internet on one side and a lower progression of sales in our mature countries makes that today it's impossible to maintain and increase profitability only by sales. It means that for us it's a fantastic opportunity to provide to the company a better profitability through an improvement of our operational efficiency. And it's the way we are doing the business today to help the company to improve its competitiveness just through the reduction of the costs of the company and the cost of the activities. How to do that? We have identified three main priorities. First of all, to deliver the projects quicker than before. And we don't accept to work on a project with a payback above 3 years. Secondly, we try to solve the very complex problems, issues, that anybody cannot solve by himself. And for example, we launched an energy program to reduce the consumption of electricity by 20% for the end on 2017. And we engaged this program, and it is the first time in Auchan, with a strong partnership with one supplier, Schneider Electric, which is in charge to work with the 34 business units to reach this common target to lower by 20% our consumption. The third priority for us is to deploy the same best practice at the same time everywhere in the world. So we have an annual action plan with the same best practices that we are going to deploy through our centralized organization all over the Auchan world. in conclusion, I would say that this difficult time is a marvelous opportunity for us because we occupy a strategic position which is the go-between position, and we help all the stakeholders, internal customers, experts of the company, suppliers, and of course our buyers, to work together at the same time and to develop new ways to create savings and profitability for the company. This go-between strategic position is the one we want to develop inside our company.
Very good, Pascal. So probably we have time for one or two more questions about, I would be curious also, what role do you see business networks playing in that?
Well, to explain which role, why do we need a business network and how can it help us? I would say that we consider our panel of suppliers not as a cost, but as a capital, as an asset. So if you consider that your suppliers is a wealth for the company, it means that we are going to develop this capital and to improve this quality of capital. And we need to do so, a real business network, able, first of all, to open largely the research of suppliers. In Auchan, we still have more than 50% of our suppliers who work with Auchan since more than 10 years. I won't say that we have to change suppliers every year, but definitely, if you don't have a rotation in your suppliers, you cannot, year after year, improve I would say, the performance of what you buy. So you need to know new suppliers permanently, as quick as possible, to renew this panel of suppliers to increase the value. Secondly, as I told you, we want to work at the same time and to co-construct with our suppliers the solution. So we need absolutely a workflow, a platform on which every stakeholder can bring what he has to do in this logic of work. And thirdly, we have to generate very important savings through the reduction of the cost of transactions. And it means that the choice of the suitable business network will help us to cut down all these cost of transactions. So definitely for us, our strategy is to develop the business network in order to support the improvement of the capital which represent our panel of suppliers.
Very good, Pascal. Probably last question. Under your leadership, Auchan created an indirect procurement team, recruiting, developing professional buyers. I would like to come back also what your experience is in that. And after you have done this and now a team in place to ramp up from 0 to kind of 100, which is very impressive story, what you are telling. What is next in your journey for Auchan now?
I talk about healthy weight. There is another image for me which is very important. As my colleague know, I'm a fanatic of football, and I consider our business just like football. And we are today in the town where there is a cathedral for football, and we have even one French player in this cathedral, even he did not play very often this year, even if maybe he is a little bit old. But please forgive me, I prefer Barcelona. I prefer Barcelona because they have the best players. Messi, Neymar. They play the best game, most marvelous all over the world. And they have performance year after year. Barcelona, it's talent, technique, experience. We, Auchan, we are Paris Saint-Germain. We have very good players. We are proud of our players in Auchan. We have a strong and reliable game, Oxygen. But as we were born just in 2010, we have certainly a little lack of experience. But I can tell you one thing, we will win the Champions League. Thank you for your attention.
Pascal, many thanks. Thank you very much. It was great having you here. Thank